Today we are going to learn a new lesson. Lesson 13, a shelter so high. A shelter so high. So here from the topic of our lesson itself we can understand a shelter so high. A shelter means we know that the living thing present in the earth need food, air, water and shelter for they watch for safe from our weather, then from animals, from other dangers, etc. So we need a shelter. So in this lesson, a shelter so high. A shelter, where is this shelter situated? Yes, it is so high. It is so high. So here in this lesson we discuss. It is a travelogue by not a proper travelogue. It is a travel diary or travel experience. Just explain or just discuss with us by Gaurav Jain. Gaurav Jain. Who? Yes, Gaurav Jain. Then with Gaurav Jain, Gaurav always with Gaurav Jain, a motorcycle is present. That motorcycle has also a name that is called Lona. That is called Lona. Lona means a motorcycle. Lona. A motorcycle. A motorcycle. Always the motorcycle owner is always with him. He cannot think without Lana. He considered the owner as a living thing or his friend, his partner, everything. Everything of Gaurav Jain is Lana. His motorcycle. So one day they decided to get away from the busy, crowded and noisy town from their Mumbai. Where is Gaurav Jain and Lana live? In the city Mumbai. Gaurav Jain and Lana, his friend, his partner, live in the city Mumbai. So one day they decided, the Gaurav Jain decided to get away from the busy, crowded and noisy town or noisy city of Mumbai. Okay, so let's start our lesson. All of you carefully listen. It's a very interesting lesson. So in this lesson, we are going to discuss about our states, different states passed by Gaurav Jain and his partner Lana. Then we are going to study about what their capitals, the cities, the state capitals of states, then the climate condition of the states present in Gaurav Jain's list. These all things we introduce or we discuss in this lesson. So let's start our lesson. A shelter so high. The Gaurav Jain always like to separate from the busy cities. He is very bored with his busy town, etc. Busy house. Always he going to his house, his office, etc. She face each and same climate, same building, same faces, etc. See he like to enjoy different climate, different places with different peculiarities or beautiful moments. Okay, so here a traveler's tale. I am Gaurav Jain and this is Lana. I am Gaurav Jain. This is Lana. We know that Gaurav Jain is a traveler and Lana is his motorcycle. He considered as it is his friend, partner, everything. Okay, but Lana is never lonely. But why Lana is never lonely? Because they are together all the time. I and my motorcycle wait for a chance to get away from the busy, crowded and noisy city of Mumbai. In which city they live? Yes, they live in the city Mumbai. So we know that about Mumbai. Then when Mumbai is a very crowded and busy city, so beautiful tourist attractions are present in Mumbai city, and also so it is very crowded, noisy and busy city. So she like the Gaurav Jeni and his Launa get a chance to escape from the crowded, busy and noisy city of Mumbai. We like to travel to different parts of this wonderful country. We know that we live in a wonderful country, India. So in India, there are beautiful and wonderful, marvelous and amazing states are present to enjoy the beauty of our nature, then God's gift, etc. So they were like to travel different parts of this wonderful country. Let me tell you about our amazing journey on the highest roads in India. On the highest roads in India means from the water level, they are going to travel from the high of water level. So then from this we can say that they are going to travel to a hilly area. Going to travel in a hilly area. Here, getting ready. We know that hilly means huge the land situated above the ground level. Above the ground level, and we consider it as hills. So hills, valleys, then more than two hills combines to form valleys, then mountains, etc. We know about hills, valleys, etc. We already learned in the previous classes about our hills, valleys, mountains, etc. Plains, etc. So here, getting ready. Here in this lesson, Gaurav Jeni just introduced his the experiences of traveling. Okay, getting ready. This journey took about 2 months. How many months take to travel to take this journey? Is 2 months. I had to carry everything on my motorcycle. Everything, each and everything he tied with her partner or his friend Lorna about the needed things for 2 months. I had to plan and collect all the things I needed. I packed a small tent. What are things he needed to travel for 2 months? Yes, a small tent, sleeping bag, plastic sheet, warm clothes, food that would remain fresh for some days. Okay, what are things he needed to travel for 2 months? Yes, tent, sleeping bags, tent, sleeping bag, plastic sheet, warm cloth, food, etc. These are things he packed with his Lana needed for 2 months. What are things? Yes, tent, sleeping bags, plastic sheet, warm clothes and food. So the food remains 2 to 3 days in a fresh appearance. Okay. I also took my camera and extra cans for petrol. Then what next we take camera and petrol can for taking petrol. Lorna and I left Mumbai, passing through small villages and towns. So if they are get ready to travel or get away from Mumbai city, through their travel, they are passing through small villages and towns of Maharashtra, Gujarat, Rajasthan to reach Delhi. They are going to start from their journey from Mumbai. From Mumbai, they passing through different small villages and towns, of their Maharashtra, Gujarat, then Rajasthan. To reach where? To reach where? To reach Delhi. To reach Delhi. So from here we know that first of all he lived where? He lived in Mumbai. Mumbai is the capital of Maharashtra. Mumbai is the capital of Mumbai is the capital. Mumbai is the capital of where? Maharashtra. Capital of Maharashtra. Mumbai is the capital of Maharashtra. Then Gujarat. Which is the capital of Gujarat? Do you know which is the capital of Gujarat? Yes, Gandhinagar. Which is the capital of Gujarat? Gandhinagar. Gandhinagar. Then Rajasthan. Which is the capital of Rajasthan? Jaipur. Jaipur. Delhi. Which is the capital of Delhi? Which is the capital of Delhi? New Delhi. It's the capital of Delhi. Okay. So once again, from Mumbai, they started their journey from where? From Mumbai. So Mumbai is where is Mumbai situated? In which state Mumbai city is located? Yes, Maharashtra. In which state? Maharashtra. Then Mumbai is the capital of where? Maharashtra. Mumbai is the capital of Maharashtra. Then from Maharashtra, they travel. They reached Gujarat. Gujarat is the next state of our country. Then which is the capital of Gujarat? Yes, Gandhinagar. Yes, Gandhinagar. Next they reached Rajasthan. Which is the capital of Rajasthan? Jaipur. Then they reached where? Delhi. Delhi is the capital of New Delhi. Which is the capital of Delhi? Yes, New Delhi. Sorry, which is the capital of India? New Delhi. Which is the capital of India? Sorry, which is the capital? They reached Delhi. So we know that which is the capital of where? New Delhi. New Delhi is the capital of India. Your capital of India is New Delhi. Capital of India is New Delhi. We know that. Okay, so we here once again Maharashtra. Capital of Maharashtra, Mumbai. Capital of Gujarat, Gandhinagar. Capital of Rajasthan, Jaipur. We know that it is the capital of India. Yes, New Delhi. So they at last they reached where? Delhi. Then from Delhi, it took me 3 days to cover 1,400 kilometers from Mumbai to Delhi. They reached how many kilometers? 1,400 kilometers. 1,400 kilometers from Mumbai to where? Mumbai to Delhi. From Mumbai to Delhi. From where? From Mumbai to Delhi. So they take 1,400 kilometers from Mumbai to Delhi. I was hoping to see something new and different in Delhi. He always hoping. He always to hope, or he was always hoping to see something new and different in Delhi. But there is no way to their hope, because the city of Mumbai and Delhi is like the same, because the same crowd, the same busy and same noisy town is like Delhi, like Mumbai. Then, but Delhi looked just like Mumbai. Then I am tired of looking at the same kinds of houses, the made of cement, bricks, glass and steel. Then in Delhi there are so many houses, buildings and people etc. are lived. Then in Delhi, the houses of Delhi like houses made of cement, then bricks, then glass, then glass, steel, etc. Steel, etc. Okay. So in Delhi also the houses are made of cement, bricks, glass, steel. Like Delhi, their houses are made in Mumbai is also like with the cement, bricks, steel, then glass. So due to this, Gaurav Jani is very bored. Gaurav Jani is very bored to where to reach Delhi due to the same situation of like Mumbai. Then I was looking forward to my journey ahead. Then they started from their journey to forward. Then I was excited that I would be able to see wooden houses with the sloping roofs and those covered with the snow. I had seen pictures of such houses in many books. He the Gaurav Jani likes to see the houses made up of what? Houses made up of the sloping roofs, then what? Then our houses made up of wood, then sloping roofs, then covered with the snow. These are houses how Gaurav Jani like to see. Which type of houses Gaurav Jani like to see in here in his mind? Yes, houses of wooden houses. Wooden houses, then sloping wooden houses, then houses with the sloping roofs, houses with the sloping roofs, then those covered with the snow, those covered with the snow. These type of houses Gaurav Jani like to see. But these type of houses are not present in where Mumbai and Delhi cities. In Mumbai and Delhi cities. Okay. Here then I planned more things in Delhi and continued. From Delhi, Gaurav Jani and his partner like on motorcycle take some more food items from Delhi. Then from there started their journey forward. In 2 days we were in Manali. In 2 days they were in where? Yes. They are in Manali. So it was so refreshing to be in the mountains and breathe the clean air. So what is the peculiarity of the climate in Manali? Yes, it was so refreshing to be in the mountains and breathe the clean air. In Manali, there are mountains present. In Manali, mountains present. So and also there from Manali we get a pleasant and clean air. We get what? Clean and pleasant air. Clean and pleasant air. Then now the real journey was to begin. We had to travel through difficult roads of the state of Jammu and Kashmir to reach Leh in Ladakh. Then what they were from Manali, they are going to start their wonderful journey. Then from Manali, they started to travel through difficult roads of the states of Jammu and Kashmir. Where they were going to travel? Yes, Jammu and Kashmir. Jammu and Kashmir, Jammu and Kashmir to reach Leh in Ladakh. To reach where? To reach in Jammu and Kashmir. Leh is present in where? Ladakh. In Ladakh. Leh in Ladakh. So once again, in which states they travel, they passes in his traveling, yes, they pass. First of all, he started his journey from where? Mumbai. Mumbai is the capital of Maharashtra. Then he passes the next state, Gujarat. Which is the capital of Gujarat? Gandhinagar. Gandhinagar is the capital of Gujarat. Then Gujarat, from Maharashtra, Gujarat, from then Rajasthan, which is the capital of Rajasthan. Yes, Jaipur. Jaipur is the capital of Rajasthan. Then they reached where? Delhi. Then they reached Delhi. In Delhi, he could not found any different weather or different not he does not find anything different from the Mumbai city. It is like the Mumbai city, same houses, then same people, same busy town, then same noisy, etc. They are found like Mumbai. So the houses also made with the cement, bricks, glass, plate, steel, etc. like Mumbai city. He did not like to see anything in the Delhi city. From Delhi city, they started their journey to where? Manali. To where? Manali. From from Manali, they get what? Their hopeful journey. So then they reached to next state, that is Jammu and Kashmir, to reach where? To Leh in where? Ladakh. To Leh in Ladakh. So we know that in Jammu and Kashmir also there are mountains present. Then the full mountains are covered with the snow, and the houses are also, the roof of the sloping, the houses of the roofs are sloping and it is fully covered with the snow. These type of houses and these type of climates are like Gaurav journey. So they reached their destination. Okay, once again, what are things we learned? Some questions given in the textbook about the traveling of Gaurav Jani and his partner Lorna. First question, check in your map. Which states would one pass through while traveling from Mumbai to Kashmir? Which are the states would one pass through while traveling from Mumbai to Kashmir? Mumbai to Kashmir, Maharashtra, Gujarat, Rajasthan, Haryana, Punjab, Himachal Pradesh and Jammu and Kashmir. Himachal Pradesh and Jammu and Kashmir. If one would travel from Mumbai to Kashmir, which all states one would travel or one would pass? Yes. First one, Maharashtra. Gujarat. Maharashtra, Gujarat. Maharashtra, Gujarat, Rajasthan, Haryana, Punjab. Punjab, Himachal Pradesh and Jammu and Kashmir. Himachal Pradesh and Jammu and Kashmir. Okay, these states we should pass to reach where? Jammu and Kashmir from where? Mumbai. From Mumbai, Maharashtra, Gujarat, Rajasthan, Jammu and Kashmir. Okay, next question. Gaurav passed through several states while going from Mumbai to Delhi. Find the capital cities of these states. Was there any other big town? Find the capital cities of these states. We know that this is the capital of Maharashtra. Which is the capital of Maharashtra? Mumbai. Which is the capital of Maharashtra? Mumbai. Then Gujarat, Ahmedabad. Gandhinagar. Gujarat, Gandhinagar. Then Rajasthan, Jaipur. Haryana, Chandigarh. Then Gandhinagar, Rajasthan, Jaipur, Haryana, Chandigarh. Okay, these are the different states of where Maharashtra, Gujarat, then Rajasthan, Haryana. Okay. Then next question: was there any other big town on his way? Yes, there are Ahmedabad, Chandigarh, Jaipur. These are the big towns. Is Manali a plain or a hilly area? Manali is a hilly area. Then Manali is situated in which state? Himachal Pradesh. Manali is situated in where? Himachal Pradesh. Manali is situated in which state? Himachal Pradesh. First of all, he started his journey from Maharashtra, then Gujarat, then Rajasthan, then Haryana, Punjab, Himachal Pradesh, and then Jammu Kashmir to reach to where? Why he reached to Jammu Kashmir? To reach Leh. Leh is where is Leh situated? Yes, in Ladakh. Okay, students. So I think all of you understood about it. So time is over. So let's wind up the class. All of you read your textbook more and more times. Okay, all of you, thank you.